subscribers, welcome back to our channel. So in this era, Facebook is used a lot by people. Knowing to set your Facebook business page in easy 7 steps is a great opportunity. Before any further ado, let's get into the video. Step 1. Sign up. Go to your Facebook page, enter your business information in the panel on the left. As you do so, the page preview will update in the real time on the right. For your page name, use your business name or the name people are likely to search for when trying to find your business. For category, type a word or two that describe your business and Facebook will suggest some options. Step 2. Add pictures. Next, you will upload a profile and cover images for your Facebook page. It's important to create a good visual first impression, so choose wisely here. Make sure the photos you choose align with your brand and are easily identifiable with your business. You will upload your profile photo first. This image accompanies your business name in search result and when you interact with users. It also appears on the top left of your Facebook page. If you have a recognizable brand, using your logo is probably the safest way to go. If you are a celebrity or public figure, a picture of your face will work like a charm. Step 3. Connect your business to WhatsApp. After you click Save, you will see a pop-up box asking if you want to connect your business to WhatsApp. This is optional, but it does allow you to add a WhatsApp button to your page or send people to WhatsApp from Facebook ads. Step 4. Create your username. Your username, also called your vanity URL, is how you tell people where to find you on Facebook. Your username can be up to 50 characters long, but don't use extra characters just because you can. You want it to be easy to type and easy to remember. Your business name or some obvious variation of it is a safe bet. To create your username, click Create Username on the page preview, enter the name you want to use. Facebook will let you know if it's available. If you get a green check mark, you are good to go. Then click Create Username. Step 5. Add your business details. While you might be tempted to leave the details for later, it's important to fill out all of the fields in your Facebook page's About section right from the start, as Facebook is often the very first place a customer goes to get information about you. Having it all there is important. For example, if someone is looking for a business that's open till 9, they want to confirm this information on your page. If they can't find it, they will surely keep looking until they find another place that's more forthcoming. Step 6. Create your first post. Before you start inviting people to like the Facebook page of your business, you should post some valuable content. You can create your own post or share relevant content from thought leaders in your industry. For inspiration, you can check out our blog post on Facebook marketing. You could also create a specific type of post like an event or offer. Just click one of the options in the create box at the top of your page. Now last or step 7th is invite an audience. Your Facebook business page now represents a robust online presence that will make potential customers and fans feel comfortable interacting with you. Now you need to get some followers. Start by inviting your existing Facebook friends to like your page. To do so, just scroll down to the bottom of the Set Your Page Up for Success box and expand the section called Introduce Your Page. So that's it. Hope you liked the video, and if you do, like, share and subscribe to our channel for more such videos, and follow our more social media handles for more such content.